Are you tired of fad diets and conflicting nutrition advice? Do you feel like you are constantly struggling to eat a balanced diet? Don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, we are going to go back to the basics and help you understand the essential food groups that you need to achieve a healthy and balanced diet. Get ready to learn the secrets of staying nourished and energized straight from our expert nutritionist.
Namaste. Whatever the food you eat is conventionally classified into 5 basic food groups. So understanding these basic food groups will help you to balance your diet. The first major food group is your cereal, grains and millets. Please make sure that half of your grain is whole grain. That means do not process it too much or do not refine it. Refining or processing strips away most of the nutrient content from your cereals, grains and millets. So make sure you're having unprocessed one or semi-processed one. Choosing refined grains, refined flours will give you nothing but calories. Then the second food group will be your pulses and legumes. These pulses and legumes are the richest source of vegetarian protein and also the cheaper source. So anyone who is targeting to have more protein in their diet should make sure they include variety of different pulses and legumes in their diet and balance the plate. Then the third major food group will be your milk products and meat products. All your poultry, eggs and any flesh product comes under this meat product. Then anything which is dairy, milk and milk based products, they come under dairy products. So both together, milk and meat products will be a third major food group which provides you with abundant minerals, especially calcium, phosphorus, magnesium and some of the trace minerals. So include at least 2 to 3 servings of milk or meat products combined together in your diet. If you are a vegetarian, please go for cereals, pulses and unprocessed dals. Then the fourth major food group will be the fruits, vegetables and the greens. So make your plate as rich as possible in terms of colors. Make your plate colorful. So the more color you involve in your plate gives you the more nutrients. So your fruits, vegetables and greens are excellently filled with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. So they are mostly called protective foods. So that will be your fourth major food group. So the fifth major food group will be oils and sugars. Might sound little unhealthy, but trust me, they're not that unhealthy. Your body needs good oils, your body needs good fat, your body needs sugar. So there is a certain limit under which you should consume these. So you can't involve them completely on your plate. This should be rightly balanced. So to understand the whole concept of balancing your meal, first you need to understand the food groups. So this video is just to introduce you to food groups so that you understand the 5 basic food groups. The next video will be on food pyramid, how much to consume, like what is the importance of these particular food groups and everything. So please stay tuned for the next video.